king of Kapisinikaya region in northern Afghanistan 1980 to 1970 BC. Hermias means the savior, was an Indo-Greek king of the Eucratid dynasty, who ruled the territory of Kapisinikaya region. Hermias has been pushed very late by scholars, as there had been nothing common between Hermias and Amyntas. They have been misled by his square letter forms, defective legends, and the appearance of his name on the coins of the Kushna ruler, Cadphises. The evidence of letter forms and defective legends is vague. At best, it can be used for determining an epoch rather than exact chronology of a ruler. And it has not been generally accepted that the Kushna king, Kujula Cadphises, never ruled jointly with Hermias. Joint types in their names were, in fact, issued long after the death of Hermias by Kujula Cadphises by way of a political move. Hermias' monograms give us a fair idea of his date. Through these he is associated with Menander, Agathoclea, Strato alone, and Diomedes. His monogram number 11588 is very common on the coins of Menander. His monogram, No. 114, is found on a joint issue of Strato and Agathoclea as well as on a type of Strato alone. 189 His monogram, No. 71 was used on coins by Diomedes, who on similar evidence appears to have been a sub.king of Heliocles. These monograms, however, are rare on Hermias coins. They occur on his solitary capist type only. We may, therefore, assume that the persons represented by them were very old men and died shortly after his accession. We may roughly fix his reign between 1980 and 1970 BC. This will give chance to Menander's, rather Heliocles' Mintmen to survive till the early years of Hermias' reign. His types Zeus enthroned, and Nike connect Hermias with Capist Nikaya region. He succeeded Antialcidas to the rule of these districts. There is nothing in his coins to connect him with the family of the latter or for that matter with that of Strato. But his successor Hippostratus portrayed Apollo tripod on his coins and hence seems to belong to the family of Apollodotus. Appearance of Heracles on the coins issued in his name by Kujula Cadphises also points to his Euthydemed affiliations. Thus, it would appear that between Antialcidas and Hermias there was some sort of political upheaval that led to the extinction of the family of Antialcidas. There is an ephemeral ruler, Bucolaus, who had a short rule as sub-king of Antialcidas in Capital Pushkalavtal region. He is known to have issued only two types, one each of Kapisi and Pushkalavti. He did not use square letter forms on his coins, and hence must be placed before rather than after Hermocus. His sudden disappearance may have had some connection with the appearance of Hermias. It appears that immediately after the death of Antialcidas, Sacus under Maus occupied Taxila and advanced north to Pushkalavtal and Kapisi. They placed Hermias, a Euthydemed prince, on the throne of Bucolaus with reduced territories. It was done possibly as a sop to the troublesome Greek element in these parts or more probably as a political check on the expansionist ambitions of Aziz, who was already in possession of Ceston and Arachosia. Hermias tried to make his rule acceptable to the faction of Bucolaus by marrying Calliope, a relative of the last king, and ruling for some time jointly with her. Since there is only one joint type of Hermias and Calliope, we can presume that this arrangement lasted only for a short while, however, judging from his coins. Hermias' rule was long and prosperous, but came to an end when the Sacus, from Bactria, overran most of his Greek kingdom.